Okay, hello creative people. So let us say that you have finished posting your listing. Okay, now like for this account that we've been using, this friend of ours happened to post his listing. Okay, after posting his listing, he posted under a package that is a free package. Okay, that is the basic plan. Okay, so for the basic plan, you don't have to pay anything. So after posting, your listing is listed. Let me give you an example. Home. So his listing was listed. Okay, let me show it to you here on the home page. Okay, so the fastness of the page actually depends on the internet that you have. Are you seeing his listing is here? Okay, it was listed here, but it is not featured. For the featured listings, are you seeing these stars on them? Sorry, no, they appear at the top. Okay, so let me say I'm looking for videographers, they appear on the top. If I'm looking for, you get it. Okay, so now what do we have to do to get our listing featured? Okay, so for us to get our listing featured, okay, we are going to click this star. Are you seeing feature? Then to see the analytics of our listing, we click this. So the moment we click that, to see the analytics, so it is actually going to be showing the analytics because we've just put it, we've just uploaded it just a few seconds ago. So it is showing like the analytics in a month. Okay, how many visitors in 30 days, in 7 days, and yesterday. Okay, so what do we actually need to see here? Okay, the analytics. So we haven't had any analytics so far because we've just uploaded it just 1 minute like ago. So all visitors, new visitors, and views that actually you have happened to get. But besides that, we go back to our listing. Okay, this side. So we want to see here where we have the feature icon. So when we click on it, actually it like loads. Okay, so it loads. So they are going to charge us an amount that makes that listing get featured for a day. Okay, for a day. So we have this. Okay, we come here. Okay, we come here, and now we can choose either to pay with PayPal, okay, or we can choose to pay with PayPal. So you can pay with PayPal directly. So when you choose PayPal here, you can pay with PayPal directly. You can pay with debit cards or credit cards or Visa cards, but powered by what? By PayPal. So the moment you click on it, you're going to see it is going to bring an option of you putting in your Visa card or debit card that is with PayPal. Okay, it is actually loading. So as you see it there. Okay, so it like gives you that option. Are you seeing that? So you put in your information, and I believe that PayPal is a safe place. Okay, it is a safe system that is actually facilitating this. Okay, so besides that, if you've not used the PayPal, you can choose PayPal. Okay, so with the PayPal, if I happen to choose PayPal like here, I can also pay. When I'm using PayPal to pay, I can pay using mobile money. After choosing it, I click place order. So it gives me an option of choosing to pay with mobile money or to pay with a Visa card or debit card. Okay, so with using mobile money, if I choose using mobile money, it is going to ask me which option. Are you seeing it here? So I can say MTN or Airtel. So I'm going to choose Airtel. Then I'm also going to be choosing, you can also choose whether I'm using a Visa card, MasterCard, or credit card, or American Express, or Easy Pay. Okay, but besides that, for me, I'm going to be using Airtel. Okay, So I put in my number, that is a 070. So I'm not going to put 0 at the start because I'm going to be using a Ugandan line. So the country code you put here is what represents a 0 depending on the country where you come from. So it is a 70550782185. Sorry, that is an MTN number, 07055082149. Okay, so I put in my number, then I click proceed. So you are going to hear the message come to my phone, and I pay, and you see how it is going to be responding. So if I click proceed, okay, so I'm going to receive a message. Are you here? Have you heard that? So then I click, I put in, okay, to confirm, I put in my password, then click, okay, enter. So look at the screen, what it does. So the payment has gone through, so it processes. Are you seeing that? Okay. So after that, are you seeing payment received? Thank you. Your payment has been received successfully. Okay. So as simple as that. Okay. So now I've paid for my listing to be featured, and now we are going to see the other time round when I clicked on listings, so the icon for featured was not doing what? Was not yellowish, it was like this, okay, gray. Okay, now it is like showing that the image is featured, I mean the item has been featured, so it is appearing at the top of all other categories. Okay, so let us try to go home and see on the home page. Okay, so are you seeing it? Now it has this icon, so it is a featured what? Are you getting it? It is a featured product. So that is it actually. So whenever someone is like looking for animators, looking for someone to design him, maybe an animated whatever, whenever he searches for that service, this person is going to appear at the top of all other service providers for 24 hours. Okay, so do not hesitate, do your payment, subscribe to the platform, and take these opportunities serious. Thank you for watching.